welcome to my channel. This is Ankita, and the product today I'm going to review is Mythic Oil by L'Oreal. So this is the product I'm going to review today. I'll give you a fair enough idea whether you should invest in this product, whether you should buy this product or not, because I know how bad it could feel sometimes if you waste your money in some fancy product which doesn't even meet the claims it makes. So don't worry, I'm here to help you. I'm here to review this. This is a oil-based serum that is rich in argan oil. It has a high concentration of argan oil, and as we all know that argan oil is really good for hair. It promotes the hair growth. It nourishes these strands, make it really shiny, smooth, silky and strong. So all the goodness is in here, and especially for those girls who are lazy like me, they don't want to oil their hairs. This is amazing, I tell you guys. I've been using this product since 6 or 7 months. I'll show you. I've already finished a bottle. It's empty, as you can see, and this is the second bottle which I recently got from the Nykaa. It's filled. I've used it a couple of times. So yeah, coming on to the packaging of the product, this comes in a very elegant white cardboard box. Looks like this, and over here it's written Mythic Oil, high concentration argan oil. If you talk about the quantity, it's quite good. It's 100 ml packaging, so it will last you a long period of time. With girls like my hair length, this is gonna last you around 8-9 months if you use it like sparingly, but I use it quite generously, so around me it's like 6 months. So depends again on the length and how often you use it. And when you open the box, the bottle looks like this. This is a very luxe glass bottle. It looks so elegant. The only con is it's not travel friendly, and since it is a glass bottle, you have to be extra cautious. Now coming on to what the product claims. Product claims that it's the professional hair management empowered by highly concentrated oils, the secret of your hairdresser to breathe nourishment and shine onto the fiber without weighing hair down. Its formula, highly concentrated with natural argan oil, softens and protects hair. Its lightweight fluid texture facilitates hair drying for silky, magnificent hair from root to tips. Ideal for detangling hair after shampooing and illuminating it before or after blow drying. How to use it? Apply 1 to 2 pumps into your hand. Warm the product in the palms of your hands before distributing to the lens. No rinse. It also claims that 48-hour anti-humidity and anti-frizz protection and heat protection up to 230 degrees Celsius. So I can tell you girls, this is a holy grail product. Now I would just quickly apply it and show it to you on my hair, how my hair feels after I have it. So I've washed my hair like 2-3 days back, so it's not freshly washed, and you have to shake it a bit and then take 2 pumps of it. So here, and just have to rub it in your palms like this. Really warm the product. When you warm the product, it absorbs quite fast. So now I'll just really smoothen it over my hair, and just like this and around. Like this, and towards the end you need to saturate the product more, because those are the areas where your hair tends to dry more. So yeah. Oh wow, it smells so amazing. It is light, very light, mild fragrance, and I cannot point out what exactly it smells like. So, but it's very pleasant one, like other L'Oreal products smell. So, right, this is it, and I'll just comb my hair so that just see like. So yeah, you can see how my hair feels. It looks so smooth and shiny. So now I would like to share you about my personal experience with this product. I started using it 6 months back, 6-7 months back, when my hairstylist told me that you should try this product, as I had very dry and damaged hair. And believe me, girls, I've used many products. I've used like most of the hair serum in the market, starting from Matrix, Biolage to L'Oreal, Siri, and then Innisfree hair serum and whatnot. So I've tried almost many products, and now I can finally tell you for sure that this is the best hair serum I've come across so far. So it not only softens your hair, it gives it a very flowy effect. It doesn't weighs it down, it doesn't leave your hair very sticky and stuck together, and it just leaves your hair very smooth and flowy. So that's the best part about this serum, which I like. And argan oil is the hair. It's like amazing hair oil for your hair. It improves the growth. It makes it soft, makes it shiny, makes the bristles strong. So the list is endless. It's like I cannot just complete the benefits of within 2-3 lines. So I think overall this product is good. A bit expensive, but then it's worth it, because this bottle could last you somewhere around 6-7 months if you apply it generously, and if you have long hair. And for most like shoulder length hair, it would last around a year or so. So if I like buy it again or not, if you'll ask me, definitely I will buy it again. And this is like my favorite hair serum from now on, until and unless I come across any other product. So right guys, this is it for this video. I hope you liked it and it was helpful for you. So I think you must have got an idea so far about this product, whether to buy it or not. So that's it guys, I'll see you in next video. Till then, stay safe, and do like to share and subscribe to my channel. I'm new here, so your support would mean a lot to me. It would mean the world to me. So please like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to share it. So see you in the next video. Bye.